Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here for the Magnifica, and this machine was brought in because it wouldn't make a full cup. And what we found is that the flow meter had actually gone bad, and so it would pull a shot, but it wouldn't turn, and so the machine thought that it was out of water. And because the flow meter wasn't working, the flow meter is basically what tells the machine how much water to put out. So you'd adjust the style and nothing would happen because the machine doesn't actually know how much water it's brewing. But it's working now.
2006 from 1958, David Axelrod, Thursday. Somehow a bit more from Bob.
Hi, this is John McRae and Sam. This is Ray Lamontagne. This is Alexi Mono. And you're listening to The Current.
Looking good, it's gonna stop. We've got it set at 2 ounces, which is the 4th notch. Alright, what else did you just see? Hot water. Alright, and then some steam.
As I host transmission on the radio, an hour of punk, post-punk, new wave, and indie dance tunes. Start a dance party where your radio is. Thursday nights, 10 o'clock on The Current.
Alright, that's pretty good steam for belonging. Alright, thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.